Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl, and today we have a fun video. We're going to be testing out the t-shirt guide by Cheri of All Trades. Now, Cheri of All Trades is a small woman-owned business. It is based out of Houston, Texas, and they do have a website and an Etsy store. This guide retails for $21. Now, I did reach out to them and had them send this to me, so I did not pay for this, but this is not a paid review or anything like that. I'm going to give you my full honest thoughts on it, but I love supporting small businesses, and since we're no longer going to be selling vinyl or supplies because we're not going to have a retail store, I wanted to find good replacements for you and where to get them. So this is made out of acrylic, so if you look, you can see that it's clear acrylic. It does have it comes with a protective coating on either side, and once you remove it, it is just a regular clear acrylic ruler. So before we jump into it, we do have a giveaway today, so if you stay to the end of the video, I will tell you how to enter it. But we're going to be making a t-shirt, duh, because it's a t-shirt roller. So I'm going to tell you, I am using a Tooltex Heather Maroon t-shirt. And then for the vinyl I am using Thermoflex Plus by Specialty Materials. This is the shade Copper Gold. I do have them linked down below, so you can order your vinyl directly from them. And then also the file that I'm using is available on my Patreon page for my $4 or more a month patrons. But if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we will go over how this works. So as you can see, I have my heat press here. Now I'm going to take and lay my t-shirt across it just like I normally would, because this is how I always start. Now, as I said, I did remove the protective coating off of mine, and we're going to go over all of how to use it and my thoughts. So as you can see, I've got the t-shirt on there just like I normally would. Now I'm going to grab their t-shirt guide. So what I have learned with using this, and my one complaint so far about it, is I do wish that this was a tad bit wider. Because this is a 15-inch heat press, this is only 14.5 inches, and I think it really does need to be the full 15 inches. And I do wish that they had a couple more sizes in it, but all in all, I don't think it's bad. So as you can see, it doesn't reach the edges, but it is still really nice. So you've got the collar cut out, and then it also has your center mark and how high to go up. So one of the things I did is I just lined it up with the center of the collar where it's centered on both sides. Now I'm pretty good about lining up my shirts anyway, but just in case you're wondering. Now we've got our oh snap design cut out because, you know, Thanksgiving's coming up and I wanted to make something cute. So I just taken and folded it in half like I always do with vinyl. And my heat press is heated to 330 degrees because we are using Specialty Materials Thermoflex Plus, which that is the heat setting. They have so many colors, it's not even funny. So we're gonna line that up. And the good thing about this is I do really like that it has the straight line, like where it makes a cross to line it up either way, because sometimes you don't have a straight edge to line it up with. So when you've got that line, it really does help. That was something mine was missing. But I like how that looks. So we're gonna remove it, and it is a good thick, about 1/4 inch thick acrylic. And I like that it has holes because I can hang it up with the rest of my rulers because that makes it easy. But again, it is plastic, so I wouldn't leave it sitting under your heat press too long. Now, I always take and pull this back, even though I have to pull it on further because of the t-shirt guide. That's something I also am not that fond of, because I would rather have this part hanging off, because the collar can interfere with how your vinyl grips on your shirt. Because if there's any type of extra bulk there, it means that the vinyl doesn't hit the heat press doesn't hit just the vinyl. It hits that ridge, so it doesn't give you your firm, even pressure. So my heat press is heated to 330 degrees for 15 seconds. Ugh. Gotta close it. This is the Tussie heat press. Again, this is a great press, and this is on Amazon for like inexpensive. If you want me to, I will add it to the Amazon store. I guess I'll do that anyway. So that way, if you're interested in getting it, you can look at it. Now, if you do purchase off my Amazon store, I do earn a small commission. But it is also, the reason why I even started using it is a way to organize all the craft stuff I order off of Amazon. That way I can link everything straight ahead for you. So that is on there. So we're gonna go ahead and reheat this. Now, for our giveaway, while this is heating, Cheri asked if she could send me a few extra to do a giveaway. So I have 5 more of their t-shirt alignment guides for a giveaway. So to enter to win it, all that I need you to do is make sure you like this video, you're subscribed to my channel, and comment down below with a way for me to contact you, whether it be your Instagram handle, Facebook, email address, whatever you're comfortable with sharing. I just need a way to be able to contact you so I can ship it out. But yeah, you can see that that worked beautiful. I mean, when I hold this shirt up to you, you can see that it's on there straight. Doesn't it look good? I love how the copper gold looks on that maroon, and when I put it like this, you can easily see that that is on there straight, and it looks great. So all in all, it's pretty simple to use. And that was one thing I also wanted to make sure I find, is something that is simple, because, you know, like, there are some that are so overly complicated. To me, it's just not worth the time to fool with. But if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon, so that way you will be notified when I post new videos, which is typically Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, with some bonus content thrown in. But I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all later. Bye.